Friedrich Wilhelm Adam Serturner, the man who discovered morphine. Pain is one of the most universal human experiences. For thousands of years, humanity searched for ways to escape it through herbs, rituals, and raw trial and error. But in the early 19th century, one man changed everything. Not a king, not a doctor, not a university professor, but a young, self-taught German pharmacist. Friedrich Wilhelm Adam Serturner was a German pharmacist whose groundbreaking work in the early 19th century transformed medicine and laid the foundations for modern pharmacology. Though little known outside scientific circles, his discovery of morphine was one of the most consequential breakthroughs in the history of drug therapy, shaping how pain is treated to this day. Early life and influences. Serturner was born on June 19, 1783 in Neuhaus, in the Prince-Bishopric of Paderborn, present-day North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. He was the fourth of 6 children of Joseph Simon Sertürner, sometimes spelled Serturner, and Marie-Therese Brockmann. His father served as a surveyor and engineer to the Prince-Bishop, but the family fell on hard times after his father's death, leaving young Serturner without financial support in his mid-teens. At the age of 16, Serturner began training as a pharmacist's apprentice at the Krammersch Hofapotheke in Paderborn. Pharmacy at that time was a profession that blended empirical skill and emerging scientific thinking, offering opportunities for curious minds to explore the chemical properties of medicinal substances. Discovery of morphine, 1804 to 1817. Serturner's most enduring contribution was the isolation of morphine from opium, a milestone in chemical and medical history. Prior to his work, opium, derived from the poppy plant Papaver somniferum, was widely used as a pain reliever. But its potency varied widely, and physicians had little control over dosing. Between 1804 and 1817, while still working as an apothecary, Serturner systematically experimented with opium extracts. Through chemical manipulation and successive purification, he succeeded in isolating crystalline morphium, later called morphine, which he recognized as the principal active component responsible for opium's effects. This was the first time an active ingredient had ever been isolated from a medicinal plant, inaugurating the scientific field of alkaloid chemistry. Serturner published his findings in a series of papers, culminating in a detailed 1817 publication, Über das Morphium als Hauptbestandteil des Opiums. In this work, he described the substance's isolation, crystallization, and pharmacological effects as observed in both animals and humans, a remarkable combination of laboratory chemistry and early clinical experimentation. His choice of the name Morphium paid homage to Morpheus, the Greek god of dreams, reflecting the compound's sleep-inducing properties. Scientific and medical impact. Serturner's extraction of morphine had profound implications. Standardized pain treatment. Physicians could now administer a consistent, measurable substance for analgesia, greatly improving pain management. Birth of alkaloid chemistry. Morphine was not just a new drug. It was the first pure plant alkaloid isolated, launching an entire branch of chemical science focused on active natural compounds. Medical recognition. His work earned him an honorary doctorate from the University of Jena in 1817, largely through the advocacy of Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, and later the prestigious Montan Prize from the Institut de France with the title, Benefactor of Humanity. By demonstrating that a specific molecule could be responsible for a plant's medicinal action, Serturner helped shift medicine from empirical tradition to experimental science. Personal life and later years. In 1809, Serturner became a licensed pharmacist and opened his own pharmacy in Ibeck. Some years later, after legal setbacks, he moved to Hamelin, where he acquired the Hauptapotheke, main pharmacy, and continued his work. He married Eleonore Dorette von Retberg in 1821, with whom he had 6 children. Later in life, Serturner also studied the cholera epidemic in Hamelin, recognizing the role of a living organism in disease spread, an early insight in an era before germ theory was widely accepted. During his final years, he suffered from arthritis and reportedly used morphine for relief, raising historical suggestions that he might have become dependent on the very compound he discovered. Sertürner died on February 20th, 1841 and was buried in Ibeck. Legacy and controversy. Sertürner's legacy is rich and complex. Medical revolution. Morphine became the gold standard for severe pain treatment, especially after the hypodermic needle's invention in the mid-19th century. Pharmaceutical industry growth. Commercial production by companies such as Merck began in the 1820s and fueled growth in pharmaceutical sciences. Dual-edged sword. Morphine's potency brought great therapeutic benefit. And later, profound problems with addiction and misuse, highlighting the ethical and societal challenges of potent drugs. Today, morphine remains a cornerstone of pain management in palliative care and surgery, while also symbolizing the complexities of opioid pharmacotherapy in modern medicine. Friedrich Wilhelm Adam Serturner's life bridges early empirical pharmacy and modern scientific medicine. His persistence, ingenuity, and bold experimentation unveiled the first pure alkaloid from a medicinal plant, reshaping pharmacology and therapeutic practice forever. From humble beginnings, Serturner changed how humanity understands and treats pain, leaving a legacy as both a benefactor of science and a figure whose work foreshadowed later medical debates about drug efficacy and safety. We hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.